Hi guys!
Welcome to our channel! For today's video, we're gonna share you again a new topic regarding to our YouTube channels. Guys, this topic is regard about our views.
And we're going to give you the answer to several questions that might have been burning in your mind as a creator. So stay with us and we'll be right back.
Hi guys, welcome back! Before we start, please don't forget to hit the red button below. And of course, hit also the bell button so that you guys can get the notification when we have a new videos to upload.
And that's right.
Guys, nandito na naman kami para i-share sa inyo ang bagong kaalaman na aming ni-research. Guys, ni-research namin to hindi lang para sa amin, kundi para sa inyo, para sa aming viewers of course, para malaman ng ating mga bagong YouTubers. Willing kami mag-share ng aming na-research para matulungan namin kayo. Guys, we have some couple questions here that this question we hear all the time.
All the time. Have you ever asked yourself, does watching my YouTube videos count as a view? If I watch my own YouTube videos, does that count as a view? Honey, maybe you can answer that for our viewers.
Well, guys, marami kasi yung mga nagtatanong. Marami, kahit ako dati nagtatanong rin ng ganito. Especially, napakahirap kunin yung 4,000 hours. My co-host asked me, kung manood ka ba or kung panoorin mo ang iyong sariling video, is that counted as a views or madagdagan ba ang iyong view? Guys, based to our research, the answer is yes.
Yes.
Guys, watching your own video counted as a views. But if you watch again and again within a short period of time, YouTube will stop increasing your view count. Counted guys kung manood ka ng iyong video. Pero wag naman yung short period of time or wag naman yung mayat-maya panoorin mo.
Right, because we know that you want to check your videos as we check our videos and make some corrections to them, either the thumbnail or to the title of your videos. So you have to watch them. And watching them in a short duration of time will count as a view. You just can't watch it repeatedly over and over and over again. Then it's not going to be counted. It is also recommended that you refresh your watching device in terms of clearing out your history as well.
Exactly. So, wag kayong mag-alala guys, wag kayong matakot. Baka sabihin nyo na, baka hindi to counted. Pwede kayong manood ng sarili niyong video, pero wag naman yung mayat-maya. Well, continue for the question number 2.
Number 2.
Now, I'm the one who asked my co-host.
Oh, really? What you gonna ask me, honey?
Question number 2 is, how are views counted on YouTube? Paano mo masabi na counted ang iyong views? For example, pumunta ka sa aking video, nanood ka. Paano mo masabi na counted ang iyong views at nakadagdag sa aking views?
Well, YouTube treats a view as a count when you play videos per 30 seconds or more. So if you make a video that's less than 30 seconds, it's not going to be counted as a view. It has to be 30 seconds or more.
Guys, counted ang iyong views kung nanood ka ng video more than 30 seconds and up. Be sure that makapanood ka ng video ng iyong kapwa vlogger, makapanood ka ng video ng creators 30 seconds and up. Kasi guys, 30 seconds and below is not treated as a views. Hindi siya kasama as a views. And then, for example, if one video has only 30 seconds, it should be, or you should watch full 30 seconds. That counted as a views. Like for example, uploading TikTok videos.
Yes,
Their intro videos is mostly like 10 seconds.
doesn't.
10 seconds down, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Guys, based to our research, that's the
Information.
that we learned on this topic, that you should have video 30 seconds and up, because that is counted views.
And if you're monetized channel, you know that the ads are placed on the beginning, or the ads can be placed at the end. And if your video is longer than 30 seconds, that person, we talked about this, watching ads, check out our video above in regards to that. But you have to watch at least 11 to 30 seconds. Make your videos 30 seconds and more, and they will be counted as a view. If you're not monetized, if you're monetized, you have to watch the commercial for 11 seconds or more, and also watch a video for more than 30 seconds.
Kung nanonood ka ng Money Channel videos, you should watch the ads 11 to 30 seconds para pasok yung views mo. And then, for those who does not Money yet, you should watch their videos 30 seconds and up para matagdagan yung views niya.
Well, we hope that this information helps you understand about the views on your channel, and if it's okay for you to view your videos. We'd like to thank you for staying with us, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to watch the video above, and leave us a comment below on a suggested video or question that you might have for us to do in the future. And as always, take care of yourself and be kind to one another.
Thank you for watching!